Hi everyone. So today we are going to be solving another word problem from the factors in multiples chapter. Okay, let's try to look at what all information is given to us in the word in the form of the word problem. So farmer Jack puts the eggs into the fewest cartons. Okay. So these words are very important in the question to know what are we looking for. Okay, it might not be given to us clearly, but in the form of highest, fewest, most, least. Okay, we have, so we need to find the eggs need to be put into the fewest cartons. Okay, so you can either underline the important things or you can just make a note. Okay, fewest cartons. So each carton holds the same kind and the same number of eggs. Okay, so each should have same size. Each carton should have same size and kind of egg. Okay, how many eggs does each carton hold? So how many, so basically we have to find the capacity of the carton. Okay, because how many, so if this is a carton, so how many eggs can come in it? So we have to find the how many eggs does each carton hold, what is the capacity of the carton, how many cartons are needed for each kind of egg. Okay, so there are two things. One is we have to find the carton capacity, the size, and then how many cartons we need for each kind of egg. So if we continue to read, we have 18 brown and 12 white eggs. So we have two kinds of eggs, 18 brown and 12 white eggs. Okay, so we have 18 brown and 12 white eggs. Okay, so each carton can have only one type of egg. Okay, so either it can have browns or the whites. So but we need to find just one kind of carton because each carton holds the same kind and the same number of eggs, and the cartons should be the fewest. Okay, so we have to try to find some capacity of the carton which can fit both 18 and both 12. So like we did in the previous word problems, that the words can be given in a different way, but it will use the concepts that we've learned for the mathematics. So basically, it should divide both 12 and 18. Okay, we should be able to divide 12 eggs also in the carton capacity and 18 eggs also. So basically, if we have to see a number which divides both, we need to look at its divisors, okay, or its factors. And now, out of the factors, how will we know which one factor do we use for the capacity? So to make it the fewest cartons as less as possible, we should be able to find the highest factor. Okay, because if we find the highest factor among these two, okay, so we'll get the biggest number which divides both of them, which will help us to make the carton as big as possible. So we'll need very few cartons. Okay, so let's start with first step. So we need to find the factors of 12. So how do we find the factors? So we do 1 into 12, 12, then 2 into 6, 3 into 4, and then 4 into 3. So we stop here. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Similarly, for 18, we have 1 into 18, then 2 into 9, then 3 into 6, then 4 doesn't divide 18, 5 doesn't divide 18, then 6 into 3. So we stop here. Then the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, then 6, 9 and 18. Okay, so these are the factors of the 12 eggs and 18 eggs. So now we can have carton of size 1 because it's a common factor. We can have carton of sizes 2 also, 3 also because it's common, and then 6 also. But to be able to, if we have just cartons of just sizes 2, we'll need a lot of cartons to accommodate 18 and 12. But if we have a bigger number carton, which is the highest common factor or the greatest common factor, the GCF, which is 6, we'll need few cartons. So, first question is how many eggs does each carton hold? So, the answer is each carton holds 6 eggs. Okay. And the next part of the question is how many cartons are needed for each kind of egg? So, for brown, 18 eggs divided by 6, it will give us 3. So, we need 3 cartons for the brown eggs, and for the white, we divide 12 by 6 and we get 2 cartons. Okay, so the size of the carton is 6 eggs, and how many cartons of each type we need? It's 3 and 2 respectively. So I hope this is clear, and how to find the important words to help you figure out what are we looking to find, like GCF or LCM, and then how to solve each part of the problem. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.